We guide you through how to host a Discord account properly so you can manage your server and stay active without issue. First thing you need to understand is that Discord accounts themselves don't get hosted, but you can keep your account active, secure, and always ready for use by setting it up the right way. Start by enabling two factor authentication in your user settings to protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, make sure your email and phone number are verified so Discord can recover your account if something goes wrong. If you want your account to stay active for server management, install Discord on both your laptop and phone so you can access it anytime. You can also adjust your online status, turn on mobile notifications, and customize your privacy and safety to control who can message or add you. For managing servers, assign yourself that correct admin rules, enable backup accounts or trusted moderators, and correct the integrations like boots to automate tasks. One and once everything is set up, your Discord account will stay secure, accessible, and ready to manage your communities smoothly.